Welcome back. Storm 05A may not reach a cyclone status. Some parts of Goa witnessed mild showers and stormy winds on Sunday morning. IMD says the depression over Maldives and Lakshadweep area is moving northwestwards, but has not indicated any cyclone warning along southwest coast in the Arabian Sea. US Navy's Joint Typhoon Warning Center JTWC also says the system might not develop into a cyclone. Here is a report.
Goa is witnessing a cloudy weather since Saturday afternoon. There were mild showers in many parts of state on Sunday. This gusty winds got a Ashoka tree uprooted at Vasco. A scooterist escaped with minor injuries.
चड वारो आयला आज व्हडले स्ट्रॉंग ब्रीज सुटला तेका लागून ते वारो तेका लागून हे जाला आनी ते मून पळय आहा ते वायट एंड समज हे जाला वसमे जाला तेका लागून ते ओल्ड ट्रीज ते अप्रूव्ड जाला किती डॅमेजेस बीन जाला काय सध्या प्रेझेंटली हाय डॅमेजेस काय नॉटेड ना पूण इलेक्ट्रिकल लायनीचेर पडला पूण मला सगळे कोणी गाडयेचे वा मनशाचेर पडोंक शकता काय वारो चड सुटला तेका लागून हे जाला.
IMD says the system is likely to intensify into a deep depression and subsequently into a cyclonic storm and move northwestwards during next 72 hours. US Navy's Joint Typhoon Warning Center JTWC has termed it as Storm 05A. It also says squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour is likely to prevail along and off Kerala, South Karnataka coast and Lakshadweep area during next 24 hours and South Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry coast during next 12 hours. Sea condition will be rough to very rough along and off Kerala, South Karnataka coast and Lakshadweep area during next 24 hours and South Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry coast during next 12 hours. There is no specific cyclone warning for Goa and Konkan region. Under the influence of the system, isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Kerala and South Karnataka during the same period. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea along and off South Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry coast during next 12 hours and Kerala, South Karnataka coast and Lakshadweep area during next 24 hours. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
3 doctors wanted in Ravina's death case are not traceable. 3 suspects, Dr. S.N. Surme, Dr. S.R. Pai and Dr. Dilip Amonkar, are untraceable. Police are searching for the trio for interrogation. All the 3 suspects have moved for anticipatory bail. The anticipatory bail applications will come up for hearing on Monday before Vasco JMFC.
Dr. S.R. Pai, Dr. S.N. Surme and Dr. Dilip Amonkar are out of reach. Vasco police, after receiving the medical inquiry report on Ravina's death case, had summoned the doctors for interrogation in the case, but neither of the 3 suspects were traceable. Prudent had a telephonic conversation with the Vasco police. Police informed that the 3 doctors are not traceable from past 2 days. Police also informed that they have received a copy of anticipatory bail application from Dr. Pai and Dr. Surme on Saturday and another anticipatory bail application by Dr. Amonkar on Sunday. All the 3 bail applications will come before the Judicial Magistrate First Class for hearing on Monday. Police informed that they will oppose anticipatory bail as the suspects are required for interrogation. The medical inquiry report in Ravina death case has mentioned gross negligence by the 3 doctors and has defined it as breach of duty. The report states that the case needs to be investigated for criminal negligence on the part of Dr. S.R. Pai and Dr. S.N. Surme. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Sharp curve at Kunda is posing a danger to the students of New English High School nearing a highway. Teaching faculty claims that since June, 5 accidents have taken place on the same curve. They have demanded a permanent solution and protection to the school children.
Have a look at the sharp turn at Kundai. Many accidents have taken place here. Heavy vehicular traffic towards Kundai Industrial Estate is just few meters away. This curve poses danger to the school children of New English High School in Kundai. The school is adjoining this curve. Teachers have demanded construction of a retaining wall along the sharp curve.
आता तर इतले डेंजर जाला ताजे पयनी ते झाडांक लागून तरी गाडी आटखळून उरताली आता जर ॲक्सिडेंट तर जालो तर जायत जाल्यार सरळ गाडी आमकां घेवनूच वतली
असो इतलो हांगा डेंजर हे निर्माण जाल्लें आसा. दुसरें हे जर आबंद हाडटलो तर जाय आडायतलो तर जायत जाल्यार हांगा कितेंय तरी सायन बोर्ड लावचो पडटलो. दुसरें हांगा जो वॉल जो आसा तो वॉल बरोबर ना असो दिसता म्हाका. कसो तो पडला एक सादो डॅश लागून तो कसो वॉल लवणालो तो पळयात. आनी दुसरें हांगा कॉन्क्रीटचे स्पेसिफीक कॉन्क्रीट घालून रिटर्निंग वॉल बांदचो पडटलो.
Just 2 days back, a car turtled on the slope and entered the school premises. The compound wall of the school has been damaged. Our reporter from Kundai, Vivek Prabhu.
More than 50% consumers do not know how to use and store medicines. On this backdrop, Indian Pharmaceutical Association Goa branch in collaboration with Goa Can had organized a workshop on patient safety and safe use of medicine.
Patient Safety and Safe Use of Medicine, a workshop, was organized by the Indian Pharmaceutical Association Goa branch in collaboration with Goa Can to commemorate the 50th National Pharmacy Week. Various lectures were held to make people aware about how to use medicines in their day-to-day life. IPA Community Division Chairman briefed on these aspects.
स्टोरेज म्हणजे सांबाळून दवरपाची कशी, खंयच्या जाग्यार दवरपाची, खंयच्या जाग्यार दवरपाची ना. मागीर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन हेचें म्हत्व कितें, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन सदांच कित्याक फार्मसीन व्हरपाक जाय, प्रिस्क्रिप्शनाचेर कितें बरयल्लें आसता. मागीर वखद तुमी जेन्ना फार्मसीन घेता तेन्ना कितें काळजी घेवपाची, वखदाचेर कितें पळोवपाचें, बिलाचेर कितें पळोवपाचें, मागीर वखद म्हणजे कितें.
Convener of Goa Can, Roland Martin, spoke on the workshop.
Today, many consumers, they do not bother too much about where the medicines are coming from, how to store it, what quantity to take, and they just use the prescription to collect the medicine. They don't even take bills from the pharmacies. So our effort in this workshop is to create an awareness which will definitely lead to some positive action.
Our reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.